Hi everyone and welcome to this demo of CellaVision Software 7.2. In this new release, we are taking diagnostics to the next level by advancing both intelligence and speed. My name is Elina Bergskans and during this session I will walk you through some of the new features in software version 7.2. First, we are proud to introduce a significant leap in processing speed. The software now delivers impressive throughput when analyzing the slides. We're also introducing a brand new interface that is more modern, more intuitive, and designed to make your workflow smoother and more efficient. Next, I will show you some smart comparison tools that makes it easier to review and support seamless collaboration and differentials. And finally, there are some new features that support even more collaboration, helping teams work better together. So with that said, let's jump over to the software and take a closer look at some of the features. When you log in to your CellaVision Review software, you will appear in the Order Manager. Here is where all your process slides will end up once they are analyzed. And we have made the user interface more modern and more user-friendly for you. We have improved the way you can sort and filter your slides. By default, it's unassigned in the last 7 days, but that can be changed. And we have also introduced an easier way to sort out slides analyzed on a specific analyzer or from a specific lab. The work list has been moved, so it can now be found on the right-hand side of the software. And it has been made dynamic, which means that I can choose to have it open to see the slides that are in my list, or I can choose to hide it like this to make more room. When I open up a slide, I will see all my order information and my order details on the left-hand side, including patient information, cell counter results with accompanying flags. This panel has also been made dynamic, which means that I can hide it. And together with the WBC differential, I can also hide that one to make more room for my images. But for now, let's leave it open so we have everything we need. In 7.2, we are introducing a new image mode that has a colder color balance to mimic a more modern LED microscope. And together with that, we're introducing a new way to change your color and brightness settings. So you can now set that according to temperature, saturation, and brightness. This is a user-specific setting and also an analyzer-specific setting. The confirmed cell counter functionality has been moved to the bottom of the WBC differential list to make it more intuitive and user-friendly. Together and to support the use of the confirmed cell counter, we are introducing Show Röntgen Statistics. This functionality will tell you if the differential differs from the cell counter outside of the confidence interval. And this list is also dynamic, which means when I reclassify cells in the CellaVision Software 7.2, the list is updated, which means that I can change the Röntgen statistics. We are introducing a new way to compare old results to current. We have the Compare WBC function up here. That means that if you have old slides that are signed from that same patient, you can choose to compare the results with the current slide you are reviewing. And here you will get prompted with the images from that slide together with the WBC differential in numerical values and also the order detail. And these lists has then also been made dynamic, so you can choose to review the images and compare them side by side. If we move over to the RBC tab, here we have also introduced some new features and functionalities. You can now choose to look at the cells that are included in the analysis and used for calculation by clicking here. And all those cells, in this case over 3000, will be highlighted. And we still have the functionality that you can choose to look at the excluded ones as well. We are introducing a new way to review your overview. So from the drop down here, you can choose a fixed number of high power fields, and also you will see the corresponding magnification next to that. If you're using the RBC grid, which means that you can review one high-power field at a time, you will also now see the number of included RBCs in the calculation, in this case 370 of them in this high-power field. We have also implemented a new way to review your RBCs, and that is the split view, where you can look at your individual RBCs together with the overview. And here I can choose to hide the RBC characterization list to make more room for my cells. I can choose to click on one or multiple RBCs, and they will be marked in the overview for easier review. We have also introduced a new sorting feature, which means that you can choose to sort your RBCs according to size instead of confidence. So we can sort them from smallest to largest. To make collaboration even easier, we have made updates to the review request function. This has also been made more dynamic, which means that I can toggle it on and off during my review, and even if someone has marked the review as complete, I can still open it up and continue my conversation with my colleague. So that was a few of the new features of CellaVision Software 7.2. I hope you have enjoyed this demo, and thank you so much for watching.